How to log in BMO Bank Online Banking. To begin, open your preferred internet browser. Next, navigate to google.com and search for BMO Harris Bank. From the search results, click on the official BMO Harris Bank website. Once on the home page, locate and click the Sign In option. If you are a new user, you can select Register to begin the registration process. Put your account type here. Put your account number here. Choose preferred option. Enter the number. Then, click on Continue. To log in, enter your username on the sign-in page. Check this option if you forgot your username. Enter your password here. Check or uncheck this option to show or hide the password. Check this option to recover password. You may also choose the Remember Me option for quicker access in the future. Finally, click on Sign In. Additionally, you can click on BMO Assist for assistance. Click here to contact BMO Bank. Click here to find BMO Bank.